Unlocking DeFi, decentralized finance protocols leading the charge into 2025. Welcome to today's episode, where we dive deep into the world of decentralized finance, or DeFi, and explore how these protocols could be shaping our financial future as we approach 2025. Decentralized finance, often referred to as DeFi, is a fascinating movement that aims to create a transparent, open source, and borderless financial ecosystem without the need for traditional banking institutions. The foundation of DeFi lies in blockchain technology, with Ethereum currently leading the pack. DeFi has seen explosive growth in recent years, with the total value locked in DeFi protocols skyrocketing from a mere $1 billion in early 2020 to over $90 billion by late 2023. This growth is driven by innovative protocols like Uniswap, Aave, and Compound, making decentralized lending, borrowing, and trading more accessible than ever. Uniswap, a leading decentralized exchange, allows users to trade cryptocurrencies directly from their wallets, without intermediaries. Meanwhile, platforms like Aave and Compound are revolutionizing lending and borrowing, providing users with the ability to earn interest or access liquidity without relying on a bank. Consider the case of SushiSwap, which emerged as a major player by offering users rewards for their participation and providing community-driven incentives. This mirrors a larger trend seen within the DeFi space, where community governance and user-driven models are changing how financial operations are conducted. As we look ahead, new protocols are continuously emerging, offering solutions such as insurance, asset management, and decentralized derivatives. The DeFi sphere is not only growing but also becoming increasingly diverse, with potential to fundamentally alter how money is managed globally. With DeFi protocols setting the pace for financial innovation, the question on everyone's mind is, how will these developments impact traditional financial institutions? Will banks adapt, or will DeFi outpace them entirely? That's something worth pondering as we move forward. If you enjoyed today's exploration into the world of DeFi and want to stay updated with the latest trends and insights, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. As viewers reflect on the presented information about DeFi's evolution and future prospects, they are encouraged to engage further with the content by liking, sharing, and subscribing, thus fostering a community of informed individuals ready to embrace this financial revolution.